Then what we're going to want to do is add a light. Add actor a point light. Scroll it up. Now what we're going to do is click build all, which is right here, the little cube with the light inside it. So now we'll have Swarm and everything start up. After this is done, which will take a little bit of time, okay. Next, we're going to do play from here. So here we go, we start up. We can see and move around in our little level. Okay, but you notice we're supposed to have a third person view. So let's exit out of this. Next, what we're going to want to do is go to View, World Properties. Right here, type Game Type. Whoops, just Game. And now we're going to choose My Game Info. Now, when we put Build, Play Level in Editor, we'll have our third person view. It's pretty cool. Okay, exit out of this. Now what you're going to want to do is save this level as MG. Let's get this open. We're just going to put it here. MG example game level. Save it. Next, what we're going to want to do is create a new version, which is just press File, Save as example game front end. So example game front end. This is going to be our new menu. So now what we're going to do is go to the Tools, whoops, View, Browser Windows, Content Browser. Here, we're going to do is New. We're going to name it My Game Interface and Basic Start Menu _ UI. Then you're going to want to set this to UI Scene and press OK. Now you should have New Packages, Basic Start Menu, and the UI Scene editor should come up. Right click, place widgets, button standard, and press OK. Now if you zoom out, you'll see the button covers the entire screen just like we want. Right click it and go to the Unreal Kismet editor. Here, what we're going to want to do, add a new event, UI on click. Then, after on click, we're going to activate, we're going to do an action, new action, level, activate level event. Connect these two. To do this, press the black on out and pull it to in. Then finally, click and name the event Open Your Level. Okay, and that's all for here. So close it. Before we close this editor, we click somewhere outside of the square and scroll down till you see in your flags where you see pause game while active. Uncheck this. We want to be able to do actions when this menu's up. Close it and right click on the package, save. You have to save these manually or when you close the editor they will be gone. So now where we want to save it is we're going to go to UT game, content, we're going to make a new folder, call it example game. No, better yet, let's name it my game content. Inside here, make a new folder called UPK. And this is where we'll put this. Save it. Okay, now what we're going to do is close this. Then what we want to do is go to View, Unreal Kismet. Here we go. So here's where we're going to hook up the menu to our window. Okay, so what we're going to do is New Action, UI Scenes, Open Scene. Then we're going to go to New Event, Level Startup. Connect these two. After this, we're going to want to add a new remote event. So over here, actions miscellaneous. Oops. Event. Remote event. Beside the remote event, add a new action. Miscellaneous. Console command. Then over here, we're going to add a new action. Cinematic. Whoops. New action, toggle cinematic mode, and then finally we're going to add a new variable player. Time to hook it all up. So I'm going to explain it as we go through so you can understand. So you can understand how it all works. So after we've added all our options and all our methods and such, we connected level startup to open scene. This tells the engine that a scene is going to be open, so on the start of it we want it to open. Now what we're going to do is click open scene. Here we're going to put our new level, our new menu we just created. So in the editor, go to browser, Windows, content browser, right click the package and copy reference to clipboard. Close the content browser and paste that reference right here. Then what it does is it knows that's the scene we're going to open. Now we're going to, on level startup, drag out to enable. This will disable our movement to our player. Now